Hi everyone, today I'm going to be opening the Paris Hilton 7-piece silicone cooking utensil set. It comes with this spoon here, silicone, we're in the light, silicone spoon, silicone tongs, this silicone spatula, another silicone spatula, the whisk, and the ladle. And it comes with this little like a holder. It holds your stuff. So right away out of the box, the shipping box, the presentation is just beautiful. I love the top here, and it's just such a pretty box. Really well done. Really pretty. I can't wait to open this. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so this is how it comes right away. It's very well packaged. It was also in this bubble wrap, but I took it off. So here's the whisk, the baking spatula, or it could be for anything, but usually these are for baking, but you can use it for anything really. The tongs, and more bubble wrap. That's amazing. I love how well it's packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. And in here too, we got more bubble wrap in here. So let's go ahead and take everything out so we can see it. Okay, so here's what it looks like on my counter. Very beautiful, elegant, sleek display. I'm going to take these out one by one so you can see. Here we have the whisk. Really beautiful golden whisk. We have the ladle. It's made out of metal, really pretty. And they all have this also, the pH on them. It's very beautiful. Okay, here's the silicone turner. Here's the tongs, again with the pH on it. Where is it? There it is. And these have little things for your thumbs right here, which is really cool. Okay, we have the spatula. Has a little weight to it. It's really nice. And the last silicone spoon. And this container is made out of stainless steel. Has holes at the bottom. And it's just really nice. I really love it. So there you have it, guys. There is my review of this beautiful set from Paris Hilton. I will link it down below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.